Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Today we are going to be making one of my family's favorite summer meals, ratatouille. This French stew pairs perfectly with some delicious bread. It's one of our favorite meals we look forward to making every summer. In the late summer, when the tomatoes and eggplants and zucchinis are ready in the garden, this is the first meal I think of. And this simple dish is full of flavor. With the fresh vegetables and herbs from the garden, it's so good. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can make your own ratatouille at home. But first, before we get started, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you enjoyed this recipe, please give us a thumbs up. And now back to making this delicious ratatouille. And I will go over all of the ingredients and I will list them below. You will need 1 pound of fresh diced tomatoes. You will also need 1 green pepper diced, and 1 leek sliced, and 3 cloves of garlic minced, 1 medium onion diced, and 1/4 cup of fennel diced. You will also need 1 medium eggplant, cubed or diced, and 1 zucchini, diced. You will also need some fresh herbs. You will need 1/4 cup of basil, chopped, 2 sprigs of thyme, and 2 tablespoons of chopped tarragon. Now add some olive oil in a pot and get ready to saute your vegetables. Add in your onions as soon as your oil comes up to the right temperature. And make sure to season them with some salt and pepper. And continue to add your other ingredients, your garlic, your leeks, green peppers, everything on your prep plate. But saute it before adding your eggplant and zucchini. And remember to season as you go. And now you can add in your eggplant and zucchini. And now continue to saute your vegetables on medium heat. And now you can add in some more olive oil. Olive oil is a big part of this dish. And now that your vegetables have a little bit of color, you can add in your tomatoes. And now that everything's been added, you will want to continue to cook this on medium heat with a lid on it for approximately 30 minutes. At this point, you can add in some fresh herbs and continue to cook this. And make sure you season it. Check the seasoning. If it needs salt, add it. You can even drizzle in some more olive oil. But this should cook for an additional 15 to 20 minutes. You'll know when it's ready. And And when it starts to look like this, make sure you get your bread ready and salted butter. And it's time to eat. Dish up this delicious ratatouille and serve it with some bread. I hope your family enjoys this as much as mine. This is a tradition to make every year. We love ratatouille, and you can drizzle a little bit more olive oil on top and garnish it with some basil leaves. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy cooking.